What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix a high ping or latency when playing Minecraft Pocket Edition on your iOS or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open Minecraft Pocket Edition and navigate to your in-game settings. In the profile section, make sure to disable the Use Cellular Data option in case it's enabled for you, as you might not have allowed the game to use cellular data in your native settings. This would explain the high ping or latency you are getting when trying to play on a server. In case this option was disabled, then make sure to enable it to see if you can then join a server. This might use up your cellular data plan, so be careful and watch out how much data you have to spare. When this is done, make sure to completely exit out of the application on your mobile device and open up your native settings application. On iOS devices, tap on General and then on Date and Time. Make sure that your device is setting the time automatically, so simply enable the Set Automatically option. When using the Automatic Time option, you should also disable your VPN service in case you are using one. This can be done in your settings as well. Back in your main settings, disable this VPN option while trying to launch Minecraft the next time. Next, scroll down to your Minecraft settings and make sure that the mobile data option is enabled. You can then try to relaunch Minecraft. In case you still experience a high latency, then you should make sure that you're using a reliable network connection and that the Minecraft servers are operational. Open up your favorite browser and search for Minecraft server status, or simply click on the link in the description below. On this page, make sure to enter the Minecraft server and tap on Get. After a second, you can preview if the server is online and operational, how many players are currently playing on the server, the Minecraft version required to play on that server, as well as the host name, IP address, and so on. In case the server seems to be operational, then make use of a speed testing site or application, such as Speedtest. This will give you an average latency, upload and download speed for your connection. In case your ping is higher than 100 milliseconds, or if you're having an unstable download speed, then you should consider using a different network connection to play Minecraft Pocket Edition on your mobile device. To further improve your network connection and prevent getting a high ping, you can restart your router or modem if you haven't done this in a while. Next, in your App Store or Google Play Store, look up Minecraft Pocket Edition. This will show you if the application is up to date, which could otherwise also prevent you from playing the game. Lastly, make sure to restart your mobile device in case you haven't done this in a while. This will restart some services and processes, and in a lot of cases, fix the high ping problem for Minecraft Pocket Edition. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.